Okay, so now let's go to Fibonacci, the golden mean. Okay, so Fibonacci is created by Leonardo of Pisa. He's an Italian merchant and mathematician, also known as Fibonacci. Kaya we call it Fibonacci now. Okay, he discovered a mathematical series or a golden ratio present in nature and geometry. Okay, so for example, this is how he discovered the golden mean. Okay, merchant kasi siya. Okay, may time, okay, na may dalawang rabbit. Okay, a pair of rabbit nanganak. If we always look at that, this pair of rabbits will give birth to, okay, to new pairs of rabbits. It will follow a series of 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, so what is those number mean? Okay, eto siya. Okay, this is the number series. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. Okay, it is also the same ratio that you can see in your face, in the petals of the flowers. It's all around in nature. But the most interesting part is if we add, okay, if we add 1, okay, the first 2 numbers in the series, it will the addition or the result would be the succeeding numbers. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. So on and so forth. Right? So now, how did we come up with the Fibonacci ratio? Okay, so if we look at the series, okay, if we divide 34 over 55, ang lalabas is 0.618. You can try it to check. Okay, if you also, okay, this is the golden ratio. Okay, if you also divide 34 over 89, ang lalabas 0.38. Okay, or you can also minus the golden ratio from 1, lalabas 0.382. And if you divide 34 by 144, ang lalabas 236. Okay, if you do the same thing over and over, atong numbers ang lalabas. And if you look at Fibonacci retracement, these are the levels. Okay, so the question here is, if it will go to an impulsive move, okay, di ba? Di ba may impulsive move? We would now have a way kung hanggang saan siya magre-retrace or pull back by using the Fibonacci levels. Okay? So may 0.236 siya, just a shallow retracement or pullback. May 0.382, a moderate pullback. The 0.5 is not a real Fib number, but it is widely used. The golden ratio, 0.618 and 0.786. Okay? How does it look in the chart? Okay? Tingnan natin. Okay? Ito siya. Okay? You use the fibo and connect the most recent swing high to swing low, and you will see that it retraced at this specific level, 0.382. Okay? So, let's go to the chart again. And I'll show you how to use it. Okay, for example, chart of Euro USD at 1 hour. Okay? So, tingnan natin. You look for this. Okay, ito. Fib retracement. Hanapin nyo ito. This is in the drawing tools here at the side. Okay? Andito siya. Ayun. Here, Fib retracement. Okay? You click that. Okay? Tapos, swing low to swing high. Okay? And then see. Okay? Nag-retrace siya somewhere at 2.236. Okay? Ganun siya gamitin. So, we will now have a way to predict or speculate kung hanggang saan siya pwede mag-retrace. And we can enter there. Yan na ang area of value natin. If it's an uptrend, okay, we would go back. We will look at saan siya mag-pull back or retracement. Diyan tayo mag-entry. That is our area of value. Okay, for example, at a 4-hour time frame, tingnan natin again. Okay, saan siya magpo-pull back? So again, look at fib retracement. Okay. So from swing low to swing high, tingnan nyo, dito siya nag-retrace. 0.382. Okay? So, the Fibonacci is a very good tool to look at retracement or pullback for trending markets. If it's an uptrend, you will have an idea kung saan siya magre-retrace. Clear po ba yon? Fibonacci. Okay? Are you still learning?